Second area of operational control is what the business folks would call business continuity. IT folks might call it disaster recovery. What happens if a hurricane hits your data center? What happens if a nuclear bomb hits California? Or even just maybe not quite as dramatic as a nuke. Maybe something like a power supply went bad on one of our servers, or a cloud node went down. I've heard this story before. New guy gets hired, accidentally deletes the production database, and so they fire him. And in my opinion, he's not the one that should be fired. The people that did not put in business continuity systems, incident response systems, protections, and guardrails so that it's impossible for someone to accidentally do the wrong thing. Those are the people that should be getting fired, right? So, do you have automated backup systems? Are they encrypting your backups? Because when we get to SOC 2, we're going to say, okay, sure, I have a backup. I'm going to ask you, how's it encrypted? How long is it archived? Where are the keys for the encryption? And most importantly, when have you tested restoring from the backup? A backup is only good as its restore. So kind of like that fire drill thing I mentioned. Do you have these disaster recovery procedures, playbooks, much like incident response? And do you have the ability to test them? If you host your app in Virginia in AWS and a hurricane hits Virginia and floods the data center, is your site down? If you go into SOC 2, you want to be able to show that we have geo-failover, we have redundancy failover, we have N+1 systems, meaning if you need N things to run this system, I've always got at least one more thing that I need so that I can control how much has to fail before I'm really down.